Hello, Fruit and Sport subscribers. I just wanted to touch base and let you all know how I'm doing, and I've got a tip for you today. First of all, I want to preface this by a few things I'd like to get off my chest. I'm not a medical doctor. All of the things that I put up on this channel are from personal experience, things I've experienced. And basically, you know, when I was younger, growing up, I had a lot of physical problems. I would get sick all the time. I'd have the flu, coughs, sore throats, and then as I got older, things escalated. You know, I'd have hemorrhoids or fissures, or I had a frozen shoulder, you know, or sinus problems, different things like that. And so I was on a mission kind of to find out how I could help myself. I didn't want to take drugs. I didn't want surgery. So I looked into different alternative ways of eating, exercising, things like that. And that's when I eventually became vegan. I stopped eating animal foods. The reason that I chose a vegan diet is because I think it's healthier. And my number one tip today is this, that I'm going to tell you why I think it's healthier. One reason: animal-based foods, when they are overdone, when you're eating too much of it, it causes congestion. And I've learned through many doctors over the years, one in particular, Dr. Jethro Kloss, in his book, he said, if you have pain anywhere in the body, if you have pain, it's a sign of congestion, because congestion stops the blood flow, stops the oxygen, the nutrients getting to the area. And congested areas in the body, whether it be in your ankle, your big toe, your knee, your head, you got sinus problems, it's a breeding ground for viruses, bacteria, and then eventually serious illnesses. So congestion's the big problem. And why do animal-based foods cause so much congestion when overdone? Because, simple reason, which has been known for decades, too much saturated fats. Fat is a gooey, sticky substance, and it tends to clog and congest the body. So if you have pain anywhere in your body, you've got congestion. And the easiest way to eliminate congestion is to eat no saturated fats. Now, I know that sounds crazy. No saturated fats. You mean no meat, no chicken, no fish, no dairy, no cheese, no nuts and seeds, no avocados. Well, if I had a serious health condition, that's what I would do. I wouldn't eat any of those things. But how are you going to survive without eating some of that? Well, you eat fruits mainly, you eat vegetables, and you can eat your starches. You've got rice, you've got potatoes, you've got beans, and you know, you can just eat as much as you care for with those foods, with the fruit, the starches, and so forth. So that's my take on it. That's my number one tip. If you really want to be healthy, because, you know, basically it boils down to humans have two choices as far as caloric intake is concerned. To meet our calorie needs, you're either going to get it from carbohydrates or fats. If you're getting it from fats, in the long run, from my experience, remember, I'm not a doctor. I am a sports nutritionist. I have been certified in sports nutrition from Dr. Doug Graham, who wrote the 80-10-10 diet, and I still believe that's one of the best books ever written. And that's my number one tip. Get away from the saturated fats. And I think these people today now, some of them that are on this so-called sugar diet, that's a better way to go. But as soon as people hear the word sugar, they run from it. No, sugar's bad. Sugar fuels every cell in our body. Now, granted, I'm not talking about pastries and donuts, that kind of sugar. You want it from whole plant food. You want it from fruit, vegetables, and your starches, your regular russet potatoes, sweet potatoes, rice, brown rice, white rice, whatever kind of rice you want. It's all going to help your body get uncongested. So that's my number one tip. You know, it's been a journey for me learning these things. And, you know, the reason I started this channel is because I was passionate about it, because it helped me so much. The first thing I fixed was frozen shoulder. I couldn't lift my arm to toss the ball, to serve in tennis, and I'm a tennis professional. So I was very thankful that when I learned that uncongesting the body will help. And it did help. In 2 weeks, I had more mobility than I had had in months and months and months. So, you know, as I said, that's my number one tip. And I think you're going to see if you cut back on your fat intake, you will see a huge improvement in your health. Any questions or comments, please post those down below. If you want to get in touch with me, go to my website, which is in the description box, and my phone number is there. So all the best. I really appreciate your support. I want to keep this channel going. And as I said, the main reason is just to help people. That's it. Help people avoid suffering. Because I've been through suffering in my life. I'm sure everyone has, and people are suffering so much today. And this is one small way that you can eliminate some of that suffering, just by making the right choices with your food intake, your fuel. So all the best. I wish you guys the best to your health, and fruit up. Yeah, fruit is numero uno. Adios, amigos.